Man, babe, it's good to finally get to North Carolina.
Yeah, we here in North Carolina.
It's huge.
This is huge for us, our brand. I'm excited.
I'm super excited too. You know what? We've been talking about this since we started, right? How we wanted to expand the brand, continue to grow. And I think this right here is about to be legendary.
Major.
Yeah.
Major moves.
I can't wait.
Yeah. Wow, this is a nice office, man.
It really is. Hey, good. How you doing?
Good.
Can you point us to Miss Briscoe's office?
Yeah, she's actually in 302 this way.
Oh, awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's see. It's 302.
Oh, 302. Hey!
Oh, hello.
Hey! Good to finally meet you.
Yes.
I'm excited.
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
yes,
we did.
yes.
Just you need some gas
We are super, super excited, right? We've been waiting on this moment for honestly 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, one thing we talked about when we first started was mobile home elite is bigger than us, right? Mobile home elite investors is something that we started and we knew we wanted to grow our family in this. And so, you know, Sharnice, she brought up the idea and she said, yo, I want her on the team. And I said, you know what? And I'm like, you know what? You're right. And I remember, you know, just being, you know, the first time we did a live and you came on there and you talked about how you and Tim, because I had no idea, right? Remember, I was like, why you sending a DM? Right? And you talked about your success story and I just heard your passion. I just love the way, you know what I'm saying, your cadence. And I was just like, yo, okay, we got to follow them now, right? And Sharnice talked about it. We were saying, hey, listen, we want to really grow the family. We want to grow so other people can know, you know, the other superstars in this industry. And I remember Sharnice said, we gotta sign Nicole. I said, baby, let's do it.
Yeah, I said that. Nicole, I always tell you, I love your spirit. I love your energy. I love everything that you've done in mobile home investing. And Byron and I, we always talked about being the biggest, right? So we had to get the biggest, right? One of the biggest students that we had to come on and join us. So we're super, super excited. Like, we know everything that you've been able to do, and now everybody else will know what you've been able to do in mobile home investing.
Yeah, that's a big fact. So really, you know, shout out my brothers, you know, Rashad and Troy. I seen them when they ended up signing my boys, Ash Cash, and they ended up signing Dave. And I said, you know what? I like that, right? I like that. And to me, I said, you know what? I used to love Jay-Z, Rockefeller Records. I said, you know what? We about to grow this team. So with that, Nicole, we want to be the first one to actually sign you to Mobile Home Elite. Okay. And when I tell you, right, first and foremost, we ain't playing, right? We want to make sure we come correct, all right? We want to come and sign you, right? And again, everybody, we want to welcome the newest member
Another treat.
to Mobile Home Elite Investors. Nicole,
Let me hold my own
Briscoe.
shirt.
Go ahead.
Let me hold my own shirt, okay?
Yes, the
I'm part of
newest,
the family, y'all.
Yes,
the
part of
newest
the family.
member.
Love it.
Making it official.
It's official.
Line,
Official.
Sign on the dotted line.
Yes, and that's your copy. Man, nah, this is history right here.
It's big. We're doing it for the culture.
For the
Y'all
culture.
poured into me. We're going to pour into millions, thousands, millions of people. So I'm super excited.
Yeah. Listen, we bringing the sexy back into mobile homes, and man, I'm super excited though. I'm super excited.
Me too. It's signed.
it's fine.
We here. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yes.
How
I sound? Do I sound like that? Is that how it sound to y'all? So y'all, this is my first mobile home. I was
Wow.
hard-headed. I did what y'all told me not to do.
Okay.
I moved the house. It was $500, and I was super excited about it. But I made a lot of mistakes in this house.
Wow.
But I learned a lot.
But you know what? Like I'm looking at it. Look, y'all painted this?
Yeah, this house is green.
Wow.
It was green.
They did a great
Okay.
job.
They did an
It was
amazing
green,
job.
painted
Wow.
white, painted blue. This house had 90 bags of trash, 40 little dead mice.
Wow.
It was just a lot. It was crazy. There was some dead cats in here. It was a
Wow.
hoarder's house, but I was so excited and anxious to get my first deal. If I would have listened, I shouldn't have bought this house. So I didn't take into account move costs, the permit fees. I cried a lot of tears. I inboxed y'all a lot. Does this price look right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I did it wrong, but the return on this was still well over 100%.
No, so you did it right, and that's
You
why.
did it right.
100%.
And I'm looking at it as she says, Sharna. She said, you know, I did it wrong. But I'm looking at this house and I'm like, yo, this is dope. You know, and for one, first you provide affordable housing. You know, I'm pretty sure we're gonna meet, you know, your tenant soon. But just to even see the impact of what you bought, and then you bought this in here. So as park owners, I look at that like we want Nicole's in our parks, right? We want people that's gonna give us value. And so
I moved 4 other houses in here too.
amazing.
Wow.
Amazing. And so look what you're doing for this community, right? You bought, they had less than, you know, it was 4 less, and look what you've been able to bring in here. And I'm just looking at this, and it's just like, you know, looking at the sign, looking at the houses across the street. This is what it's all about, right?
Yeah.
You know, your impact. And this is something every time you drive past this, you like, yeah, that's me right there.
Yeah.
So I can take y'all walk around.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, this was green.
Green. This is beautiful. And what I love about it, Nicole, is that the first deal is always not going to be the perfect deal, right?
Yeah.
We think it's going to be perfect until we get into the deal and we like, I should not have done that. I should not have done this. But the outcome is what matters.
I was thinking all in, I'm gonna spend $5,000. Penny pinching here, I spent $11,000 all in, but I sold it for double that amount.
Wow. Now those new
my
steps.
tenant right here. Hey, Mr. Lee,
How you doing?
you can come talk to the people real quick. Y'all, this is Mr. Lee.
How you doing, Mr. Lee?
How you doing, Mr. Lee? Just to meet you.
This is my
Good,
first
good.
tenant. And me and Mr. Lee always joke. I said I made somebody granddaddy first time homeowner.
Oh yeah.
How you like your house, Mr. Lee?
Oh, girl, I love my child.
Wow.
Nicole, when I met her, she was just like a sister to me.
I
Oh
appreciate it.
man, that's
I
beautiful.
love it. That's
Me and
beautiful.
when Mr. Lee was moving in, he was panicking because he ain't had nobody help him move. What we do, Mr. Lee?
You wouldn't hire somebody
Yep.
Wow.
on a little trailer.
On a little trailer in the truck.
We got the
Wow,
stuff
ain't
off
got
the
to
same,
Yep.
Wow.
the same day and moved in, and I was comfortable then.
Me,
Wow.
my husband, Mr. Lee, got my handyman, packed up his truck, moved him in here. Mr. Lee had everything unpacked in a day. He was like, come visit. I was like, no, you still got boxes. I'm tired.
Right.
He was like, Nicole, come visit my trailer.
Yeah.
Came to his trailer, everything was set up. The
Wow.
boxes were crushed.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
He
so
hard
dope.
working. He
Yeah.
hard working.
Yeah.
That's so
what it's all
dope. I
about.
love it, man.
Thank you for allowing me to come out here and let my teachers see what I actually done put into
Oh.
position.
It's not no problem. It's
Yes.
not no problem at all. Anytime you feel like if you want to come, get in touch with Cole, she'll contact me.
Oh,
Oh,
man,
thank you.
thank
Thank
you,
you
thank you,
So much.
Thank
All
you.
right.
thank you. So this is your second one we going to?
This is one I'm working on now.
Okay.
This is a current one, so I love it. It's kind of saying the transition of where you started to where you are now. So
So let them know, why am I carrying this?
Oh, let's keep it real. We ain't got no steps built yet. We do the steps last. Yes.
Nice.
You gotta get permits. And all that stuff. Hey.
How you doing?
How you doing?
How y'all doing?
Yeah. So I keep my ladder in my car. When you
Yeah.
become a pro, you know you need a
How
ladder.
you doing? Good, good. I like your paint.
Yeah, that's
That's
beautiful.
a nice.
Paint job look good.
Inside.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh man, it look great.
Handyman, y'all. You heard that? You heard that? He said he do it.
And that's how you find her.
It was walk past and just speak. Say hello.
Yep.
It's that simple.
Yep.
It's that simple.
Yeah. So, you said this park got about 40 homes?
About 40 lots and room for 10 more. Right in the middle is just a big space right here, right in the middle.
Okay.
So they're gonna clear it out.
Wow. That's so dope.
So we're right here, lot 32A.
Okay.
Okay. I see it.
They come in, they pulled in some mobile homes too. I teach them the hard stuff first.
Hey, hey.
Go ahead.
Throw them in the fire. That's what I'm
That's
talking
right.
about.
That's right, I'm
I
learning
love
the
it.
hard stuff. So get this next one.
Now, how far did they have to move this one?
About 50 miles.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. So we right here?
Right here.
Okay.
The good thing is not too high up. We can see mobile homes that be.
Just you need some gas on.
Y'all, this is the Green Boys.
What's up, man? How you feeling, man?
William and Fred, they get things done. William,
what's
what you
up.
got going on with the floor? Can you tell them what we talked about? What you gonna do to the floor?
Nice, nice. So I see I got the vinyl skirting panels of this. I see, nice, nice. How many boxes of these do you say would probably to skirt an entire mobile home?
Skirt tie mobile home, you probably gonna need 3 boxes of skirt.
Three boxes.
Okay.
Oh man, nice, nice. So before, like when you started working on Nicole, was you already working on mobile homes, or was like just? Oh,
I was
nice,
always remodeling houses and trailers and stuff like that, but I
Nice.
mechanic work, I got tired of it, so I just went on, switched over, did something different. I like it.
nice.
It's easy work, take about a good 2 weeks, flip one. Yeah.
2 weeks. That's amazing. So,
Versus traditional standard single family homes.
Take some time of the year.
yeah, but I say like so you say 2 weeks, but like, what's the longest project you say you probably worked on at a home in a single family house?
2.5 months. Just
Big difference.
remodeling the entire kitchen, concrete floors all the way throughout. That was rough.
Wow,
It's rough.
wow.
Doing mobile homes, it's a lot easier.
2 weeks.
Yeah,
2 weeks.
for a mobile home, yeah.
Yeah, and then how many of y'all normally work on?
Well, we try to I do one at a time so that way we can focus on just one.
Mhm.
Get it done, get everything done right and correct.
That's good.
And then we move on to the next.
That's good.
When
And
she's approved of the work, she walk through it and make sure it flow solid.
yeah,
We good to go.
nice. And then how big is your team normally?
Well, just me and my cousin right now. But if I need some reinforcement, I can call in.
See,
But I'm all
2 people,
Two people.
weeks. But in this process, like I said, we've had ups and downs. He's branded himself. So now he has his company, Green Boys.
oh man,
Now he has a company van.
Oh,
we
yeah.
work together to get the van, right?
Yeah.
We work together to get the van. He has all of his material in his van.
Yeah.
He's branded his van. Now he has business cards.
Oh,
At first, you know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
That's
So
what's
not
up.
only did I grow, I helped him grow too.
Hey man, you're gonna be booked up for months,
Right.
man, because everybody gonna want to, make sure they mobile home is intact, man. But I'm looking at, I see the drywall going up. Now with the paneling, y'all normally take that off and then replace it.
That's not wood paneling. That's drywall with a wallpaper over it.
Oh,
Most that one right there was a little. It was rough.
okay. Even that on the side, that other panel. Okay, man, that's dope.
It looked like wood. I thought it was when I first came in, but it's not. It's drywall.
But like William told me, you have to make sure the people that you put on your team know what they're doing with mobile homes. You can't just reach out and get a traditional contractor. It's not gonna work. You gotta make sure you know somebody that knows this niche. People be like, oh, it's smaller, I can do it. Then they come in here and do things like this. Like, he has to fix this. The person we bought this from put this throughout.
Hardwood floors.
No, that's ceramic.
Oh, ceramic.
It's ceramic in a mobile home.
Yeah, it's not necessary.
And it's heavy too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's heavy too, so he got to fix that. But because of that, we got the house for the low. We got it for the low. We got it for low. Well, all right, I'm gonna let you get back to work, William. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you, my man.
No problem.
So you're looking at your mobile home elite fast track coaches, and we see our newest addition. Nicole, tell them what you've been able to do in such a short period of time.
Listen, I got started with real estate January 2020. I tried fixing and flipping. I tried wholesaling, and then it wasn't working. So March 2020, I hopped in, bought another course. My husband was like, don't buy nothing else. I bought the course March 2020. By March 19th is when I bought it. April 5th, I had my first property. April 5th, I bought my first property, got that rented out. Every month after that, I bought a property. Y'all, I ended the year, December 2020, making 6 figures flipping mobile homes. Not only did I flip over 20 plus property, I own over 9 of them.
Yes. So you're looking at the biggest.
Listen, if I can do it, you can do it. And I did that part-time while working my full-time job.
Speaking. So listen, what you waiting on? Click that link right now.
Right now.